Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into SWOT Analysis, a fundamental tool for strategic planning. By the end of this video, you'll understand each component of SWOT and how it can help you evaluate and improve your business. So, let's get started. SWOT Analysis stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. This framework helps businesses assess internal and external factors that can impact their success. By identifying these elements, companies can develop strategies to capitalize on strengths and opportunities while mitigating weaknesses and threats. First, let's talk about strengths. These are internal attributes and resources that give your business a competitive advantage. Example, a tech company might have a strong R&D team, which allows it to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. Other strengths could include a loyal customer base, strong brand reputation, or proprietary technology. Next, we have weaknesses. These are internal factors that may limit your business's performance or competitiveness. Example, a small retail store might struggle with limited inventory or lack of online presence. Identifying these weaknesses helps businesses focus on areas that need improvement. The third component is opportunities. These are external factors that your business can exploit to its advantage. Example, a renewable energy company might see opportunities in the growing demand for sustainable products and government incentives for green energy projects. Capitalizing on these opportunities can drive growth and expansion. Lastly, let's discuss threats. These are external factors that could pose challenges or harm your business. Example, a local restaurant might face threats from new competitors opening nearby, or changes in consumer dining habits, such as increased preference for food delivery services. Identifying threats helps businesses develop contingency plans and strategies to mitigate risk. Remember, SWOT analysis is most effective when these factors are considered together. Understanding how strengths and opportunities can be leveraged to address weaknesses and threats provides a comprehensive view of your business's strategic position. To illustrate, let's consider a small online bookstore. Its strengths include a curated selection of books and excellent customer service. However, it has weaknesses like limited marketing budget and lack of brand recognition. Opportunities include the growing trend of online shopping and partnerships with local authors. Threats might be competition from large e-commerce platforms and fluctuating shipping costs. That's SWOT analysis, a powerful tool for evaluating your business's internal and external environment. Use it to identify strategic priorities, capitalize on strengths and opportunities, and address weaknesses and threats. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has clarified SWOT analysis for you. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Until next time, stay strategically savvy.